Hey cuties! Hi, it's future me editing this video. I am sorry. I know it's not Christmas anymore. I'm the hugest flop. I'm so sorry. Also, yes, I'm going to be having a What I Got for Christmas video this next week coming up. And then on this channel, it will be no more Christmas videos. So, I'm sorry I'm a flop, but I hope you enjoy the video nonetheless. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hug your loved one, hug your mom, hug your dog. If you can't do any of those things, hug yourself because you are your own best friend. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, hi, and welcome to me eating candy. I went to the dollar store. It's kind of a tradition at this point for every holiday for me to go to the dollar store and try dollar store candy. The gift of me. I'm just giving myself to everyone. No. I'm in a good mood today. It is Christmas Eve here right now, so I'm feeling jolly and in the spirit. I have my Llama shirt on. Llama. Save the drama for your llama. Poor llamas. Don't save it for the llama. Save it for the bitch next door. Okay, I'm going to be trying some dollar store candy, so if you guys want to watch this, keep watching. It's like, no shit. No, I want to watch it, but I'm going to exit out of it. Why do I say that? If you want to keep watching, keep watching. Obviously, Captain Obvious has entered the chat. The very first thing I'm going to try is the thing that I think that was the most intriguing to me, and it's this Hot Wheels ornament that I'm going to hang on my car. Girl, this is a car. You have a tree. I don't know, like this plastic ornament, and it says it's filled with candy. It's so weird. It's an ornament. I was like, I love the dollar store so much. Look at this, Hot Wheels. We don't know what kind of candy. It was $2.50, so regardless of the candy, it is a cute ornament. And my tree just has alcohol ornaments on it right now, so it's like a nice change to be like, to have some normalcy. Wow, they're like little baggies of Hot Wheels candy. This is cool. This is really cool. Ah. The packaging is unreal for $2. This is what we were looking at. Look at how cute. It's like little hot. I'm opening one of these, obviously. Back to Captain Obvious. They smell like something else. I'll tell you. They smell disgusting. They smell like cat pee in underwear that somebody has already been wearing for a couple days. But they're little individual, like, oh, there's like cars. Ow. Ow. Flavor isn't that bad, but who wants to eat chalk? It's like eating a pencil crayon or something like that. Like, it feels like I'm eating wood, like flavored wood. I had high hopes for that. Oh well, we got this and we're positive. Then the next thing I'm gonna try is this, and I was like, whoa, when I saw this, $4, and it's like a whole ceramic snowman. He's like a pretty plump snowman. I love him. He ate all the, these are in his belly right now. These chewy caramel candies in a ceramic pot. I was like, wow, the dollar store is really like stepping up their game, and I could reuse it. Look at this. This would be at like Home Goods or something like that for not $4, I would tell you that. And anything filled with candy is a Samantha item. Life just keeps getting better and better every day. Oh, his head fell off. Ooh, they smell yummy. That is so cute. Ah, look at it. It's so cute. Okay, let's see. Let's see if the candies are good. If not, I'm gonna keep this little ceramic guy and I'm gonna put like my own candies in there. This just doesn't look appetizing. This looks like a chewed up dog spit or something. Well, this is a way to tell if I have a cavity. It tastes like butter and brown sugar. It's very, very buttery. Like oily or something. Like in a good way. Like a little grandma would love this. I love this. Once you get the chew going, you're right on that train. You're like, choo choo. Oh my god, delicious. Okay, next we're gonna try these. There were different kinds of these. They all were this little shape and like a house, and this one was a toy store, and then there was like music shop, all these other things, and they were all the same though. They were assorted sweet cookies. So I've never seen this at the dollar store before, and like the packaging, I'm like, oh, the packaging is just immaculate, girl. Okay, it's becoming sad. I don't know, it just like I feel like there's gonna be like 3 cookies in here. Oh yum, what the hell, that smells so good. We don't know how much it was and it fell. I have Butterfingers now. What is wrong with me? Jesus. I think these were $1 because there's no price on them. Look like this. So they look like various circles. So it kind of look like shortbread. I'm gonna try like the pretzel looking one. It tastes exactly like animal crackers. And I love animal crackers. That's honestly what it tastes like. They don't taste like shortbread. They're like animal crackers. They're, yum! Those Hot Wheels shit can go suck it. Because like that was terrible compared to everything else. It's so good. Next up, we have the big man himself, Santa. Jolly old Saint Nick. Holiday Delights European milk chocolate. And this was only $1. And I'm like, what? How? And carefully remove him from his sarcophagus and chomp him on. He's holding a sack of toys with like chocolate bear. Oh. I want his nose. Yeah. Pretty generic chocolate. I mean, for $1, it's like just hard to eat when you're wearing lipstick. Next up, we have these. It looks like a little present. These are so cute for stockings. $1.25, and these are chocolate covered wafers with smooth milk chocolate flavor filling. Okay, I don't know why I read it like that, but I feel like really important. This is my first present that I'm unwrapping this year. I love this. Look at that. This is so much fun. Actually, this isn't the first present I'm unwrapping this year because I had my birthday this year. I'm dumb. Look at this. Oh my god. But they say wafers? Why is everything taped so crazy? Get crazy, get wild, open this up, let me have it. Literally 10 hours later, I got this open. They're really serious about their packaging. These look like roses or something. Let's inspect. It looks like dusty and dry meat. And we're gonna bite her open. Not good, not good. Just like my Aunt Harriet's armpit. Like not cute. These are not good. Those are horrific. That tasted like it was like cardboard. Old cardboard, like mildewy cardboard, soggy cardboard. Disgusting, and the chocolate wasn't even sweet. What the hell? What is that? The very last thing I'm gonna be trying is fudge. Creamy butter fudge, $2.50. I love fudge, so this better suit my Christmas needs, farmland. Come on, fudge. Why does it look so good? It actually looks so good. It's hard to find fudge that's like actually good. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is the best thing that we tried. I'm Butterfingers today. Oh my Jesus was born this Christmas morning. I'm gonna eat all these today. This is so sweet. It's like hitting taste buds in the back of my throat. 18% butter? No shit, I can taste it. Our fudge is made using the onlyest of the finest ingredients and has no artificial flavors or colors. It's made the old-fashioned farmhouse way. Why isn't it Dollarama? Oh my god, it's so buttery. That was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmassy video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys get all the gifts you're looking for Christmas and get everything you want. And I love you guys so very much. I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!